So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a random city map with AI that you can use over your projects or over the games, the temporary games that you have been creating. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser here. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here you have to search for this city does not exist.com. Just simply go to the website and let's wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open here, you can see it directly generated a random city map or satellite map that I can use. Now if you want to generate another one, just simply hit refresh and it will generate another map. And the interesting thing is that this city it does not actually exist in real life. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.